Just one day, one night.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you some footage of a recent glittery shoot that I did. So the original idea was to give a festival girl kind of a feel, but in the end we ended up going all in with the makeup and do more of a fashion beauty shoot than a casual look shoot. And as you can see, we used quite a lot of glitter, and some of it got into the model's mouth when we were sprinkling them on her head. And to this date, I still can find glitter in the most weirdest places around my house. Because the makeup was so intense, we ended up with a very simple tube top that wouldn't take too much attention away from the chest and forehead pieces that our makeup and hair person did. Also, we ended up using this pink unicorn cause more is more, and it's always good to give a chance even to the craziest ideas. And to try another weird idea, I took my rubber ducks out for the last shot, which actually ended up being my favorite shot. So if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.